Every now and then there comes along a feature that changes absolutely everything. And today I want to introduce you to Generative Fill in Photoshop. Our subject, you can see, is on a kind of a dark background that's out of focus. So the first thing we're going to do is hit select subject right here. But I want to go ahead and inverse my selection. So we're going to click here. So now we're selecting the background. We're going to go ahead and click on Generative Fill. I'm going to type in forest, dusk, moody. There we go, and hit generate. Keep in mind that I've selected my subject and then inverse my selection so it's the background. But here we can see it put my subject completely in exactly what I described. This is game changer, it really is. It's actually taking into account the depth of field. So if I take this, make it invisible, here's a look at our original image, you can see the background is out of focus and it's carried that over into the different variations that it's given me for this. Boom, blowing my mind. I'm sure it's blowing everyone's mind at this point. Thanks so much. I'll learn you later. Bye, everyone.